game. It's a rich thing.
Hey, gents. Give me a hand.
Demetrius got a new wing.
This is not supposed to be on the vlog yet. I'm gonna slowly put it down.
Jesus.
That is freaking huge on that Dimitri.
I don't think I can let go, can I? Oh yeah.
Well, be careful. Okay, so it needs to go down more. Alright guys, so we are here. We're gonna wash my car. I think I gotta wash this for a minute. Looks good though. The V-stack. We're just probably shove something in the hole for now, so that way we don't suck in any water. And we'll clean it out, clean the inside of it. But yeah, soon before, super dirty, super filthy. Like look at the brake dust. What's up, guys? We'll try to make it quick. We got memory. So we're here back in the 6-speed. I've picked up the camera for a while. We've been doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes, just getting the car ready. We got AC in here, which I'm actually using right now, which is nice. I just haven't had time to put the AC in. I don't do it personally. I had to take it in. One of the only times I take it to the shop. And I had that sway issue. I have that sway issue where it kind of went away after the reverse sway bar, but it still has a little bit, so we might just try to get it aligned one more time. There was a few little bushings or SPC toe or arms or whatever that was loose. I'll put a video right here of them, and then hopefully that kind of fixes it. We'll see. But after the daily driving, it feels good. It feels good. I gotta check out the shifter. I think the shifter has like something's like worn or something already. It's a brand new shifter. Well, it's not brand new, but it's been in the car and I didn't really use it too much. But it should be like a newer shifter. But that's why when I had it in the shop, I actually left a door lock on the 6-speed, so that way nobody goes in here and play with it. I'm just thinking they probably worn it out before I even got to drive it. But just for first and second, it looked a little like it's just weird. It's just hard to explain. But it might be the shifter, it might just be the cables. Might be a synchro, but we could at least eliminate two things, which we'll probably do that later on, but not today. But anyways, yeah, so we got that going. So I'm on the tune, and we're still not 100% done with the tune, unfortunately. We're still waiting for him to have some free time just to finish up the last data log. He said we're about 90, and I don't know, we'll see if we shoot flames or not, but right now I hear pops and stuff like that. We are about I'm about to run out of gas actually. So I have 13 miles per gallon in here. I don't know if it's because I'm driving this so like it's fun to drive it, or it's just after the tune and all this is just more gas, more fuel, you know what I mean? Because he did like get to do all that shit. But we got damn, I got a check engine light. Shucks. I think that's part of the idle air control thing. We gotta check that out. Hopefully I have my scanner. It might be in the somewhere else. But we got more fuel additives. It's like $20 a bottle, which sucks. But you don't have to put it in all the time, he said. But we're doing it all the time where we pump it because, you know, why not? It's just a VP Racing octane booster. I guess there's some good stuff. Right now I'm just trying to find a gas station so I could go put some gas and fill up. And I'll show you guys the octane booster. But other than that, you gotta check out that check engine light. See what the hell that is. Hopefully it's just the idle air because it revs up randomly. Guy said I might have a leak somewhere, like a vacuum leak. But we'll see. Yeah, so we're gonna probably go. We might take this car, we'll see. Probably go out and eat. I'm driving it home just because I wanted to drive a little bit more. I like it. It's so fun. So fun. You gotta get yourself a 6-speed. Auto is nice, more reliable. 6-speed is just more fun, hands-on. That's why I like it. But yeah, I'll pick it up soon once we get more stuff. I just want to tell you guys about how it's going. We'll see. We're trying to finish this memory card today. We're continuing. We got the V-stack right here. We are gonna be modifying the bumper because I've been pushing it out, so I took it off. I think I told you guys already. So we're gonna be doing that today, and probably some few guys, random spark plugs and stuff like that, some maintenance. But yeah, we're driving it. We went on to a couple days ago. Went to a night little curvy road run type of thing, and it was cool. But Mariah, unfortunately, got seasick or motion sickness, and she couldn't handle it. So we got to turn back a little early. But maybe next time I'll record it though. Not her, but like the whole experience. But yeah, let's go to the shop, and I'll show you guys soon. Alright guys, so I got everything off, as you can see. V-stack is back on again, so we're gonna go ahead and put the bumper on and see where it hits. Most likely it's gonna hit, you can see it already rubbing off the paint right here. So it's either gonna hit here or up here, so I might be able to catch this on top and shave this down. That's the goal. I don't want to shave the bottom where you can see more, but yeah, and then don't mind the cat piss. Really hate parking this at my house. Only reason I don't is because of stupid cats. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this on, and we'll mark it where it needs to be shaved. We're pretty damn close. It just hits a little bit, so I'll show you guys now. Watch. Hits not down here, but up here. So we're gonna mark it a little bit more. Right there, and that should be enough to clear it. But yeah, it's fitting so much more better now. So we're gonna take this bumper off. Hopefully that'll be the last time I gotta trim it. We'll put everything back together. Alright guys, so V-stack is on. Fitment is 20 times better now. As you can see, looks pretty damn good. Yeah, I just gotta wipe off the excess or whatever. But yeah, you see now it clears pretty good. It maybe barely touches, if anything, but that's good enough for me. I'm gonna go ahead and now wipe this off and put my covers back on and wait for everyone to show up. Alright, since we have some time and waiting for the tuner to come, I guess we could relocate the Hondata. My goal is to have it like hanging here or somewhere right here. That way I could just do a connect or just leave it connected, it don't matter. And leave it all the way over there in my glove box. I could just put my glove box down and we could do the tuning if we need to. That's the goal, so we're gonna go ahead and wire that up. So I'm gonna pull off the trims. It should be pretty simple. Probably pull off these pieces and we'll see what we could do. Alright, so here it is. We are still putting everything back together. You can see the Hondata wire there. I'll tidy that up after, but we finally got everything run. So as you open this, then we got the wires for the Hondata here, so that way we don't have to run it across. Easy. So I'm gonna put this back together. We got McChicken from back in the old days before I had YouTube. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and close this up. All right, so we got the Hondata plugged in right now because we actually might finish up the tune finally. So everything else is put back together, and you can see it's coming out of the glove box. So go on that side to the laptop. As you can see, it's coming right out, and to the Hondata, we're actually doing the Zoom meeting. But she's Taylor tuned. We're gonna finish up the tune hopefully today. That way we are fully done, and then yeah, I'll keep you guys updated soon as we go through all this. All right, let's block out the number, but right here we are on the phone with Taylor Tune. Looks so good. Just doing some adjustments.
You gotta catch up with them.
Female on this car sucks. Worse.
Hit the pedal.
Welcome back to another video. We are here with the 6-speed. We're going to be doing a bunch of few things to it. The main issue, honestly, I have is going into gears. For some reason, it's just getting harder to go into gear. I'm assuming it might be not a synchro issue, but a cable issue. So that's going to be the first thing I try out. Because it seems easy right here when you don't have the cables. It seems like it goes in. It's just when you shift in, it seems kind of weird. So we're gonna do that first, and then we'll mess with the shifter. So I ordered new OEM cables coming in because honestly I haven't changed that yet. They look pretty old. So we're gonna do that. Right now also we're gonna do a tune. And I want to check the transmission fluid level and I'll show you guys. But first we're gonna do a tune. So let's go ahead and grab the keys and I guess I'll show you guys what it is. Alright, so this is how I do it. So you go over here, make sure it's connected. So right now my OBD2 is not connected. It's actually right here. So we're gonna go ahead and connect the Hondata, which is that. Alright, so now that is connected, I'm going to go ahead and turn the key on. Not all the way, just I hate when it does that. I'm going to turn the key on, just like that. I'm going to go on the other side where my laptop is, and we got to download the tune. Alright, so we're over here. Luckily laptop's already plugged in. Hopefully there's enough juice in here that will start up. Alright, so we're here. You check down here, make sure you're all checked off, which is good. So this was the last data log. I'm gonna save it. To my 1.0. Oh shit. I'm gonna close this for now. We'll do that later. So at 1.0, I'm gonna override it. But this time around, I didn't send it to him. He just sent me another tune. So we're gonna go ahead and open that now. So we're gonna go here to we're gonna go to the internet because he emailed it to me. Go to my Gmail, and then I gotta find it. All right. Oh my god. So we have the file right here. We're gonna go ahead and download it. And it's gonna be under number 2 because there's already a file of the same name, and since it doesn't let me overwrite it, it's just gonna be parentheses. So we're gonna go back to Hondata now. Come on. Oh my god. Let's close out here. Alright, so we're in Hondata. So we're gonna go to, let's see. I don't know if the Hondata is lagging. Let's close this out actually. Let's just redo it. This is just like a cheap $200 Walmart from like 4 years ago. So we're gonna go open up Hondata again. And let's see what my battery is at. 30%. Okay, so we're here at Hondata. There's nothing showing. So we're gonna go to this file up here. This little file. I'm gonna hit that, and then you'll see the ones for today. I'm gonna hit that, and I'm gonna upload or open file. Okay, so everything's open. So now we're gonna hit this little arrow up here. This arrow. And it's going to upload the calibration right now, and there it is. It's going to do its thing, and then it'll make some clicking noises. So I guess I'll pick it up once it's done. All right, it's almost done, and watch, you're going to hear like the car do some clicks right now. Yeah, as you hear that, it worked perfectly. So we're going to go ahead and hit OK. And now I'm ready to do some testing and new data logs for the tuner. But we're done for this for now. We are actually just had to do that one thing. And then here's a cable. Like I showed you guys, I have the Hondata ran up here. And I can put this right back into the glove box. That way I don't have to have the wire all coming out. No, we're good. All right, so that's it. And then lots of, I'll just leave it here, but I'm gonna charge it this time.